Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and thank you all so very much for coming back for another real life motivational cleaning video. So I am still in the process of deep cleaning my whole house. I already deep cleaned our master bathroom and our master bedroom and also our linen closet. I will leave links to those videos. But today I am working on deep cleaning our kitchen, and as you all can see, it is a complete hot mess. I do need to go through like everything and donate stuff that we are no longer using or we haven't used in a very long time. I need to clean over here in the laundry area. There's no organization whatsoever, as you all can see. But this is going to be only part one of my kitchen deep clean. There will be more parts to it. But so if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you're notified when I do post the other parts. Look at this, you guys. Look at all of this clutter. There's like no organization whatsoever. Look inside of these cabinets. There's a lot of Tupperware that I need to get rid of. My daughter is out of high school now, so she's out of college, so I really don't need all of these containers for school lunches or anything like that. Yes, I did pack my daughter lunches up until she was in 12th grade. Everything was packed for them. But let me stop rambling and let you guys enjoy this video. Right here, I'm just clearing off the countertops and loading up the dishwasher.
Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
If you watched my videos before, you know that I clean my sink out about 2 to 3 times. Why I do it, I don't know, but it's just satisfying to me. I like to see a nice shiny sink.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love it one-sided? Is she really?
So whenever I clean with bleach, I do wear an apron because I do not want anything to get on my clothes.
My mistake, covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you. But if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just argue. And I know you're gonna act a fool, and then no one could tell the difference between me and you, babe. Watching from a distance, hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove everything off of this countertop so I can scrub it very well. I don't want to wipe around anything since this is a deep clean.
But for now, I just read it and delete it. Knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just read it and delete it. Oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute.
Since this is a deep clean, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down these walls, even though I hate washing walls, you guys. I don't know why, I just do not like washing walls. I'll clean anything and everything else. I'll do laundry. Just washing walls, something I do not like. My mother used to make us wash the walls. I swear it was like once a month. It probably wasn't that often, but it seemed like so often, so I grew to hate it, and I even hate it as an adult.
Being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. You said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe.
If you guys enjoy watching vlogs or day in the life videos, I'm gonna go ahead and link my vlog channel up above. You guys can just go ahead and check me out if you want to see what I do every day or like every other day on the weekends. They just be random vlogs. So if you guys enjoy that type of stuff, go ahead and check me out.
Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe.
I'm just gonna go ahead and add the things that we do not use to this plastic bag so I can go ahead and donate them.
No clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside. spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside.
I scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed this toaster oven, you guys, but it would not come clean. I couldn't like get back there. You see way back there when it's like greased and pop or something. I couldn't get that. I don't know how to clean that. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Like I even tried to use my razor. That wouldn't come off. I didn't want to put a whole bunch of water in there and then it doesn't work. So I don't know what to do. Should I use oven cleaner? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think I should use or what will help to get it like sparkling shiny again.
Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside.
Now to just clear everything off of this table, as you all can see, it's just a catch-all, but I also was putting everything off of the countertops on top of this. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything away. It is so much junk on here. This is the reason why I am doing a deep clean, so I can just get rid of stuff that I am no longer using and other people can use. Now onto the refrigerator. Everything I'm putting on the right is everything that we're going to keep. Everything on the left is what I'm going to go ahead and toss out because it's past the expiration date. Yes, I do feel bad about tossing out food. I hate to toss out food, but it was past the expiration date and I couldn't eat it. No one could eat it, so it had to be thrown away. So I do try to clean out our refrigerator about 2 to 3 times a month. As you all can see, it gets pretty nasty if you don't clean it out often. It's not as bad as it could get, but it is still pretty disgusting.
I don't know what you know yet. I've realized that I'm dying to tell you.
If you guys didn't know, I do eat a plant-based diet, and I do have a channel where I post vegan recipes and vegan products that you can try. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead on over to that channel. I will link it above, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I did record myself cleaning off the door. Not sure why I didn't do that, but I'm just going to go ahead and put everything that we are keeping back into the refrigerator.
I don't know what you know yet. I've tried some time, and I'm dying to tell you. You blow my mind. I don't know what you know yet. No, I've realized, and I'm dying to tell you. You blow my mind. I don't know what you know yet. I've tried some time, and I'm dying to tell you. You blow my mind. I don't know what you know yet. No, I've realized.
So that is the end of part 1. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you're notified when I post part 2, because it will be a good one. I will be tackling all of my cabinets, but I want to thank you all so very much for watching this part, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.